Scrolling Instagram reels on mute make us forget how powerful sound is. Visuals grab attention, but sound holds it. That is why today I'm going to be sharing with you these 3 sound design techniques that took me years to master, but you will learn it in few minutes. These 3 sound design techniques will instantly level up your editing game. And with each one, I'll review the secret code that has helped me in my editing game. I'm sure you will not want to miss all of this. So let's get started. Alright, let's take an example of a single wash. Yeah, I think that is perfect. Back then, I'll just throw in a single wash effect into a video and then wondered why it felt empty. Then I discovered layering, stacking sounds like instruments in band. A deep boom for width, a crisp hit for clarity, and a shimmer for sparkle. So here is it. So what is the secret code for this? Balance them across frequency, low, mid, high, with simple equalizer. So back then I used to match every sound design to exactly what you see. Then I discovered a game-changing trick, which is mismatching sound. Instead of coffee pouring, I layered ocean waves. So it didn't mismatch the visuals. It only creates this experience that we want our audience to get. So this is the secret code. Don't be afraid to use sound that doesn't belong literally. I'll put it in this way. Mismatched sound equals emotional weight, surprise, and depth. Feel free to grab this sound effect on Filmora. They have tons of sound effects for you to use and apply in your video. So up next is to make transition feel natural and cinematic. Let's say you have to work on a 30-second promo video and your track is 3 minutes long. What do? You taking your scissors and cutting it in an inappropriate way can make it feel as if you're slamming your brakes. Here's the secret code for that. So most of the time I usually reverse the beginning or the tail of the beat as a riser to smoothly enter or exit the song, or you start the song with a riser, with a different riser from your sound pack. So as this song in Filmora, I'm going to split this clip into 2 and I'll be working with this and this. Alright, so I have the music I want to trim already. So I want to trim it, let's say I want to trim it around 14 seconds. Like I want to cut it off around 14 seconds. So to do that, I will just split this at this point. Then I'll come over to this place and split it again and delete the rest. Then I'll extend this a little. Alright, then I'm going to bring down the volume of this. I'll bring it down. Then I'll select the 2 of them and compound it. Music track. Alright, so you see the way this music stopped. It just stopped once. So what is the trick that we're going to use in this place? You come over to this point again, to this point, a little time frame to where the music is going to end. I'm going to come there and split this clip and I'll tap on it and go to audio. Under audio I'll select voice changer. Then under voice changer I'll select big room. Then I'll increase the level. So let's hear it again. And that's how to end it in a cinematic way. So that didn't just stop by cutting. We added reverb to the end of the music so that it can stop in a cinematic way. The quality of my sound design increased drastically when I improved on these 3 techniques: layering, emotional sound design, and seamless music transition. Use the secret code I shared in these videos and your videos will look cinematic and professional. So feel free to comment the technique that resonates most with you in the comment section. I will see you all in my next video. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I remain Delight Visuals. I'll see you in my next video.